Good morning. We've hit midweek in what has been a bit of a turbulent week for the equity markets here in India, but it seems like the sellers are taking a bit of a break. It's been frenetic selling over the past couple of sessions, especially in the broader markets and particularly in a few names which have run up quite substantially. The likes of IRCTC, IEX taking a bit of a battering, Tata Power, for example, also a few other names like Deepak Nitrite, all taking a bit of a hit after they have reached elevated levels. Right now, though, if you look at the screen, the market breadth favors the advances at this juncture. It's still early days and that could turn, but right now it's substantially in favor of the advances. Two stocks advancing for every stock that declines on the broader markets right now. And you have the mid cap index that's gaining about 0.2%, the small cap index up about 0.33%, and the Nifty 50 that's trading absolutely flat, almost unchanged from yesterday's close. What are the stocks that are doing well? Zoom into the Nifty 50. The oil marketing companies as well as the downstream companies are doing quite well today. So the top gainer is IOC with gains of about 3.5%, followed by BPCL up nearly 3%, and ONGC that's up 2.4%. Kotak Bank building on a little bit of strength in the recent past. Eicher Motors looking strong. HDFC building on gains as well. Cipla, Power Grid, Sun Pharma, some of the other gainers in trade today. Among the losers, you have the likes of Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, TCS, all the frontline IT companies losing ground. Reliance Industries, after gaining yesterday ahead of its results, is losing about 0.8% today. And then you have the likes of Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, Britannia, ITC, all losing a little bit of ground today. Among the broader markets, you have Strides Pharma that's gaining about 5.5%, PNB, which is doing quite well. In fact, the PSU banking back has been a bit of a bright spot in the recent past in all of this turmoil that you're witnessing. The likes of SBI, the likes of PNB have done quite well. Apart from that, you have RT Industries, Aurobindo Pharma, quite a few pharma names actually doing quite well today in trade. Havells, after its Q2 results, are probably one of the largest losers today, down about 9%. Polycab also losing about 4.8%. Mindtree, L&T Finance, or in L&T Financial Services, Voltas, L&T Tech are the other losers. What are the factors to watch out for, though? You've had an elevation in the VIX. It's now above 18, and that's heady levels. In the recent past, you haven't seen this kind of increase in volatility, and that could point to a bit of a turbulent period in the near term, both today as well as for the rest of the week. Of course, there are a lot of key earnings to look forward to, and that could change the perspective. There is also one factor being watched out for. It's a landmark figure for the injections for COVID-19 that have been administered so far. We're nearing the 100 crore number, and that is a significant milestone for a country that has among the second largest population in the world. Of course, we have to step forward and vaccinate the young as well, and that apparently is what the government is planning to do now. But all told, it seems like it's treading water at this juncture. We'll have to see if that changes over the course of the day.